No, don't video right now. He's just one. Not a good time.
It's a really good time. And he's off.
All part of the show, folks. Everything's fine. Just proto music. Haley, what the hell happened?
We were looking for Roger when somebody hit me on the head. When I woke up, Steve was gone.
Wait, what would Roger want with Steve?
What the hell?
You're not serious, Mary. Though my outward appearance may repulse you, I assure you my intentions.
Hey, walking.
Really?
The friends and mountains here to the town.
Oh, are you stuck? Are you mad?
Why am I in a dress?
Pooping.
I'll thank you.
Did you see you wiggle?
Out of the hell with this.
Walk your mama.
Come back here.
Come on.
I'm trying to
Okay.
get what's out there.
Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Go.
Yay! Up or so watch TV. Look!
do you know what the second greatest nation is?
Keep going. Come here.
No, not Mexico.
Hey, go.
Second
Come here,
greatest-
buddy. Come here. Yeah, good boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at you walking.
Up. Uh-oh.
Oh, so dramatic when he falls.
Yo. Are you tired?
Okay. Video done.
Okay, say goodbye. Goodbye.